welcome back to my channel or to our channel. Today guys, magawa tayo ng macaroni salad or fruit salad. Or we're gonna make a fruit salad with, it's a Pinoy food, or we call it sweets in Philippines. And this is the ingredients that we needed guys. We got safarelli durum pasta here. Very small one for macaroni or elbow size. And I'm not gonna make this in whole packet. Instead, I'm gonna make half of this pot cream here, Nestle pot cream. You can also use the condensed milk with less sugarness, something if you can find. But since I don't have it right now here in my kitchen pantry, so this is the one that only I get here. Reduced pot cream. You can also pour some milk on it if you like. And also after I boil this, I got this fruit salad here, the natural fruit salad in the juice. See, I've got pears, one pear can, and I've got one left of this naturally sweetened Australian pineapple. And I've got two fruits here, which is become a fruit salad. And I got a little bit of, maybe handful of sultanas there in my container, so I'm gonna use it. And we bought 1 kilo of honey and the sugar or honey because they're sweet. But since I don't have the condensed milk, I got only reduced pot cream, which is not sweet. So I'm just gonna use honey instead, or you can use sugar, whatever you like guys. Now I'm gonna start this. I just leave the thing here. I've got water already here boiling, but I'm gonna add with this through another boiling water. I'm gonna cut this in half and then come back to you guys. As you can see, I already pour half amount of this. I got some water here, and I'm going to get some more water boiling from my jug kettle from electric. It's boiling now, and I'm gonna pour this from the half amount of cold water. And make sure you put water more because it will absorb later on. So the water is, we use filtered water. So I'm going to give this swirl this elbow pasta, and I let it be until it's nice and softened. Put it in the high heat, and I don't put any oil or nothing, or salt or nothing, just like that. I let it be until it cook, or I guess you can put a little bit of oil so it won't stick. Let's try to do that. Tiny bit on it because we're gonna wash it anyway. Let it boil like 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I'll see how long it's really nice and cooked. And you don't have to cook it really thoroughly. Just cook it like half cooked or a little bit half cooked, so it's not very hard. There you go. I'll come back to it. Hi guys, I come back, and now my elbow macaroni for salad, fruit salad that we made soon. It's nice and a little bit halfway cooked. See, so I am going to off the fire now and leave it another for 5 minutes. And I'm going to drain the water and let them sit in the cold water, just cold water guys, so it won't cook properly, because this is the one that we need just for the salad. You don't want to get salad too soggy. Alright, I'll come back in 5 minutes, and I actually remove it from the fire because this one here is still pretty hot, so I'm just gonna remove it there. 5 minutes guys. Hi guys, we come back after 5 minutes. I've been soaking this from boiling water. I didn't drain yet. 5 minutes I drained, and this is the pasta. It's not very overcooked. It's just enough guys to make it like a fruit salad that we're making in here in the big bowl for salad, especially for the occasion we always make. I got this big bowl here. I got one left container from small container like this. From pineapple, I've got these pears, or the other thing, what do you call these fruits? The red one. Okay. And I got fruit salad, 2 fruit salad here, and I'm gonna open up that one. If it's not enough, I'm gonna make it more of this too. Alright, come back and open this as well. Now guys, I come back and I also peel this too, and it's already here. You could taste the fruit from the natural fruits, it's so good. We got pineapple here. We got pineapple. What else we got here? We got pears here, the white one, and we got the apricot. That is it. And I got sultanas over there. And I got honey here. Of course, if you want like that, you can. But I'm just gonna add some honey to sweeten a little bit this pasta. Right. Maybe 2 spoonfuls of this. Because honey is not that really sweet, guys, you know. But of course, if you got diabetic already, you're a diabetic person, you need to get the honey because it's sweet. But if you don't have diabetic, that's fine. Probably 2 spoons of this, we'll see. But needed more honey, then we're gonna get more. Okay. Okay. Make sure you make it. Honey still around here, and you put the sultanas here. The sultana is around there, so sultanas, it's not much. I didn't expect that I run out of them, but that's fine. This is a handful amount, I think. Or you can put more if you have more. If whatever you have this in the home, just do it. I was planning to put this other yummy thing too. But I didn't soak it in water. It's probably next time. Now I'm gonna put the cream. See guys, if some of your family doesn't want cream to use, because I think this is a dairy product, so they are allergic with the dairy, don't use a lot of cream, guys. Okay. Some of the pasta and make it just the way it is. Smell? Nam, but only less sugar, guys. This is not too much sugar, alright? But this pot cream is so good. It's not so sweet, guys. The naturally sweet from the fruits and from the honey is just really good for this. Trust me, guys. If you do this in the party, everyone love it. Because people always curious with their health. So often, if your food don't have you made the food and made up of love for people, your friend and your family, and your food is just nothing left from your container. Or if there is a tiny bit left, and meaning people keep coming back and eat your food. It's happened to me, guys, every time I go in the party. Sometimes, or most of the time, actually, guys, not being boastful, most of the time I come back home with our food container is nothing left. The Pyrex and the everything, nothing left, guys. So meaning kids love it, and parents too. So yeah, it's really good if we have plenty of sultanas too. So you can see the consistency. Go ahead, you can do more 3 tablespoons of honey if you want to. Better this way than really sweet, sickly sweet condensed milk. By all means, guys, I don't against with condensed milk, because I myself, I love condensed milk too. But I'm kinda behave myself with the sweet now, because it's not good if you always do sweet. So you have to balance your sweet and use. I actually gonna use trick for this. So I got my own ingredients here. I'll be back. Okay guys, I come back and I bring this beautiful black chia seeds. That's my secret ingredients, and that's how they look like, guys. Very healthy for you, really good. So this is my experiment, and trust me guys, you will love this with this fruit salad. Okay, but if you don't have chia or you can't afford chia, that's fine guys. You don't have to gaya or imitate what I did here. But trust me, if the chia is sale, go grab it and put it in your macaroni salad. I put 3 of those in this amount size, or even 4. Oh wow, they are really nice. This price of this probably $10, 350 grams I believe. Alright, supposedly I'm going to soak this chia in the water, but I didn't. That's fine, it will soak here in the juice. See that? It look like a sesame seeds. Hi, the black sesame seeds. Trust me guys, it tastes really good. Even just the sauce, the smell of the fruit, the smell of the honey. Oh, the natural sweet guys. Ooh, it's amazing taste. It's actually addictive, this the sauce that I made. It's not really sickly sweet guys, and it's really awesome. Alright, I'm gonna put this slowly, our macaroni, not all of them, one at a time, so it will get the flavor like this. Mostly I put the cherry too, the really sweet cherry from the can, but they are not really good cherry, so I leave in there. And often we put the cheddar cheese on the top too, but I don't have a cheddar cheese, but I do have frosting guys. And you have to put plastic ring in the top to chill down a bit. There you go. Simple, very easy dish to make. Very nice, sweet, super affordable, and even the 10-year-old kid know how to make this too guys. Actually, I'm gonna put more of this and more, even 2 more, why not? Malinamnam, the smooth feeling taste from your tongue with this fat-free, reduced fat cream Nestle. There you are. Of course, if you want more sabaw or broth, you can buy the fruit salad, more big fruit salad in the can. I had that, but I didn't open it. And I got another magic here. This is squeezed lemon. Lemon is life for us guys. We always squeeze the lemon whenever we're doing a fruit. Not much. Just squeeze in there. I'll check how's the top. Oh, look at that. The chia seeds is a little bit swelling now.